Hey guys, Tarek with Cyclone FPV. Ooh, wait, hold on, gotta get my coffee. 1 second, sorry. Okay, we'll start this again. So, it's Tarek with Cyclone FPV, and I am doing a, we are gonna be moving some of our inventory, right? Some of our open stuff, like things that we've used for testing, bench tests, maybe trial runs, a couple flights, whatever it may be. So we got a ton of it, probably, oh, I don't know, a lot, just a lot, all right? I don't wanna admit how much, because my wife's gonna get mad at me for opening so much. I got my dogs fighting back there, so ignore it. Anyways, so today I'm going to start with some videos. Here's one as an example of what we're going to be doing. So I'm going to be selling these motors. I actually already have a buyer for these, and they're discounted quite a bit because they've been used. So let me just show you what we're doing. Let me do a picture here. So basically with something like the motor, for example, so this is the Chaos series, the BrotherHobby Speed Shield made for us, 2207.5 2400KV motor. So what I'm doing is to just verify, I'll show you the length of the wire, and then we'll run the motor and make sure it spins, and that's what we're going to do here for all 4 of these motors. Ready? So we got spin, that works perfect. There's no sound, there's no grinding or anything as if there's debris. And then we're gonna get, shoot, I forgot the ruler here, so give me a second. Okay, so on the wire length, I could use, I guess, this thing down here. I didn't even think about that. So I'm just gonna place this here, and we could do a wire length. And what we'll do is we'll run it from the beginning of the right at the bell area. So we've got, these are staggered a little bit, and these are going to be 70, 75, and 80. So you've got between 70 and 80 on that one. That's motor 1 of this set. Motor 2, the wires are about 90-ish. Motor 3, the wires are about, again, staggered from 90. These two are staggered from 90 to 100. And then this one I think is going to be the same, from 90, yeah, right about. Oh, no, actually, no, that's not true. About 85 to 90 area. And that's going to be the same. So I was moving it to the bell, so I need to move this back actually. Sorry, I'm just trying to hurry because I want to get these shipped out today. There we go. Okay, so no, they're going to be staggered 70 to 80, 70 to 80, 70 to 80, and 70 to 80, all the same. Okay, so I'm just going to run them all 4. I don't remember which one I grabbed first that I already ran, so I'm just going to run them again. And basically, I've got probably 100 or so motors that I need to move. That have been opened and barely used. I mean, they were just tested for whatever flight we're doing. All right, so there's one. That's good. Let me get this off. Here, there's one. I'll do 2. All right. Three. And 4. Perfect. Okay, guys, so these are ready to go. I've got, like I said, a ton of motors here to run through, but I wanted to do these ones because I know the customer's been waiting on these. So I'm going to shoot him this video right now so he sees it. Please hang tight, though. We've got a ton more stuff, and I'm just going to do it all live that way. And I'll be honest with you, don't take offense to this. I know there's some pretty honest people out there, but there's some pretty bad douchebags out there, too, that like to get some of the stuff and say, oh, it didn't work when I got it. Well, I'm trying to eliminate that by doing this. So if you get it now and you see it works, then you can't tell me it didn't work, right? But we've got a lot to go, so if you need anything, just hang tight, let me know. And as always, please join our Facebook group there if you have any questions. And then always also follow us on Facebook, and then please subscribe to our YouTube channel for support, okay? Other than that, guys, as some of you know, my family is from Beirut. 90% of them live out there. My dad's out there right now. He goes back and forth quite often. He did report that things are kind of crazy out there. The city has been demolished for the most part. It's pretty sad. I mean, it's sad to hear his voice when he says it. I will start a fundraiser for it. I have to. I want to help my family and all the other families out there. And I'm going to make it simple. This is real personal to me, and I know it'll make my dad real proud too. So I'm going to do like $1 raffles. I mean, you chip in $1, and I'll start doing drawings for frames and things like that. The more you chip in, the more dollars you chip in, the more you get selected to win. And I'll start doing those kind of drawings and things. And that money will go to the donation, which will go to one of the several organizations in Beirut that are helping to help everybody out right now. Okay, I don't want to take too much time up about that. You'll get more about it later. Anyways, other than that, guys, God bless. Be safe. Spend time with your family. Okay, you don't know how much time you have left, so make the most of it. Talk to you later. Bye.